my student, friends and followers, good evening. आज আমরা ইলেকট্রিক্যাল অ্যান্ড ইলেকট্রনিক্স কম্বাইন্ড প্র্যাকটিক্যাল যে ইন্ডাস্ট্রিয়াল অটোমেশন অ্যান্ড কন্ট্রোল সিস্টেম, যেটা মডার্ন সিস্টেমের উপরে এটা আলোচনা করব। আগেকার যেটা আছে যে আরএলসি, রিলে লজিক কন্ট্রোল, semiconductor logic control, ELC components. Now it is very fast and more productions and control, smooth control through programmable logic control called short form PLC. আজ আমরা ইন্ডাস্ট্রিয়াল অটোমেশন অ্যান্ড কন্ট্রোল সিস্টেমের উপরে আজ আলোচনা করব। গুড ইভিনিং মাই স্টুডেন্টস, ফ্রেন্ডস অ্যান্ড ফলোয়ার্স। পার্ট 72, ইলেকট্রিক্যাল অ্যান্ড ইলেকট্রনিক্স combined practical industrial automation and control is a system here relay logic control called short form RLC and semiconductor logic control ELC semiconductors and programmable logic control called short form PLC. Include here DCS, distributed control systems, HMI and human machines interference, SCADA, supervisory control and this data acquisition, VFD, variable frequency control VFD. Here this system adopted for industrial and economical process deal with processing raw materials to productions of goods. Now, discuss industrial automation and control systems on industrial instruments, as both systems are used here. Industrial instrument input and output switching devices, the push button, monostable and momentary switches, toggle switches, bistable switches, selector switches, multi-stable switches, limit switches operates on mechanical or physical contacts. B. Sensing devices, input mechanical and output electrical. There is a digital sensor. Digital sensor are photo sensor and proximity sensor called. Analog sensor, RTD, resistance, temperature and detector. There is a PT in pressure transmitter. C. Actuating devices, input electrical or digital, output mechanical. The digital actuator, this is a solenoid valve. Analog actuator is a control valve. Total these systems on these output devices are motors, indication lamps, relays, contactors, heating elements, etc. Now discuss the RLC relay logic control. Relay logic control for industrial automation system used here. Industrial automation systems adopted for increased safety, increased rate of production, increased efficiency, improved quality, reduce time and production goods. Here, today discussed some relay logic control RLC. So here the power control here. 415 volt RYB and earth is a fuse. The C1 is a conductor. This is the output is a motor. And earth here. Double earth here. This is a control. Maybe 24 volt DC, 110 volt AC, 220 volt AC, or 450 volt AC. Here may used here. These are up push. This is the on push. This is a normally open contact here and thermal relay. Thermal overload relay here used here. This is a conductor C1. This is a power here. This is a up push here. This push actuate here and conductor closed. This conductor motor run here. This is a power circuit. This is a control circuit. They call relay logic control. This is on. The actuator manually push here and conductor on, actuator off. This is a normally open contact close here, motor run, continue. Then off, this push here, push button and push here is off the motor. Conductor off, motor is off. Okay, thanks all friends, students and followers.